Hello everyone, welcome back to SQL. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about generating reports in TestNG. We discussed how we could create different types of reports in TestNG, like different types of reports include the emailable reports and index report with steps included in Eclipse while using Selenium test. So let's begin. First, we will navigate to this URL, initialize the driver here. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver reporter dot log open browser. First, open browser and then navigate to this URL reporter.log open application. After open application, we will maximize the window. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize reporter dot log maximize window. After maximize the window, close the driver dot close and add reporter dot log close browser. Let's run this script and then we will see how to view the report in TestNG. Chrome driver is opening and navigate to this URL and then close the browser. In console here you can view the test total test run is equal to 1. There is no failure, so fail test is equal to 0. Click on test output and then click on index.xml. In index.xml, here you can view the total number of tests is 1 and 1 class. In ignore method, in this scenario, we execute all test cases. There is no skip any test case. So ignore methods is equal to 0. In index.html file, you can view the total number of tests. While in emailable report.html, here you can view the total number of test case is equal to 1. There is no skip any test case, so skip test is equal to 0. All test cases executed in this time, which is in millisecond. Here you can view the total loggings. First, open browser, open application, maximize window, and then close browser. Now we will see the skip method. Let's add another test. Public void skip system.out.println skip test case. Throw new skip exception. Here we enter the comments or reason for skip this test case. Skip test case. Let's run this skip. In this scenario, only one test case will be executed, which is setup method, and second test case will be skip. Here you can view in console one test case have been skipped and only one test case execute in email report.html. Here you can view the total count of skip test case is 1 and total pass test case is equal to 1. If you like this content, please subscribe to SQL World. Thanks for watching.